Hi, I'm Daniel, Clinical Lead at Treated. Caverject is an injection treatment for erectile dysfunction, and you can do it yourself. It's easy to use and it can help men who can't take oral tablets. Or if you've tried oral tablets and they haven't worked so well, you can get it in little glass vials or in a special device called a dual chamber. The vials come in 3 strengths, 10, 20 and 40 micrograms. With the vials, you get a powder and solution and you mix it together before you inject it. Caverject dual chamber comes in 2 strengths, 10 and 20 micrograms. The dual chamber device is a bit easier to use as the powder and solution are contained together and you just mix it with 1 press of a plunger. The active ingredient in Caverject is alprostadil, which allows more blood flow to the penis and so you can get and maintain an erection. Caverject usually starts working between 5 and 20 minutes after you've administered it, and it lasts in the body for about an hour. You can get Caverject online with us. We've helped thousands of men get the treatment they need, and you'll get access to our expert team, so you can ask us anything you need to, anytime you like.